Alright folks, we're back here. I got the engine pulled off of the lawnmower, and like I said, we had a compression problem, as you remember from the last video. But what I'm going to do is I'm just going to open up the bottom of it. That should get me to the crankshaft and camshaft and everything, and also from there I can tell if I have thrown a rod, because as you notice, I'm not going to take the head off, because you can't really tell by taking the head off, because you're going to still see the top of the piston, but I'm not going to go in that route. I already have taken off some of the bolts to save me a little trouble, so bear with me there. Alright, that's the bottom off of it right there, and as you can see here, I was correct. Alright, that little piece right there, that is the bottom of my rod connected to the piston. So I have thrown a rod that is broken. I can be replaced if I wanted to, but why bother? This was a cheap little weed eater lawnmower, but I might replace it in the long run just because it's a Briggs and Stratton motor. But as far as the mower go, I'll just get another mower. But like I said, that is my problem there. It has thrown a rod. That rod connects to the crankshaft here. It connects right up in there. And at first I didn't know whether, I was hoping that it was the camshaft, simply because I knew these parts in here was plastic. This part is the sling. What it do is throws oil all over the engine inside of there as it spins. As the camshaft spins, it spins this. The camshaft in turn spins the crankshaft. Or actually the crankshaft spins this cam, I'm sorry. The crankshaft spins the camshaft. And of course, you know, everything is getting fired up by the magneto and the spark plug. The piston pushing down on the crankshaft, and the crankshaft turns this and slings and slings oil everywhere. But anyhow, that is my problem, and you can see my other, see if I can get in closer for you guys. The other bottom half of the broken rod on my piston. So there's no coming back from that there, unless I replace the whole thing. But like I said, I'd rather get a new mower anyway. It was a little cheap weed eater I had for about 10 years or so. But this motor engine, I might just hang on to it just for general purposes. Like I said, I can replace the rod and it'd be good and running. And you know, hey, it's fun messing around with these little engines anyway. So there you have it. That was my compression problem, a thrown rod. And if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and always, as always, thanks for watching.